In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create multiple products on Whop, and it only takes a quick 5 minutes. Let's dive in and get started right away. The first thing you need to do is log into your Whop account. This step is pretty straightforward, but it's crucial because you need to access your account to create products. Once you're logged in and settled, your next destination is the dashboard. The dashboard is the central hub of your Whop account where you manage everything from products to sales metrics. It's your main command center, so getting familiar with it is beneficial. Now, once you're at the dashboard, look around for the Create Product button. It's usually easy to spot and may be labeled clearly on your screen. Clicking this button is essentially the beginning of your product creation journey. Once you click it, you'll be prompted to enter the details of your new product. This is where you'll bring your product to life by entering its name, setting a price, and defining any specific access levels or features that might be relevant. It's important to think through these details carefully as they will directly impact how your product is presented to potential customers. After you've filled in all the necessary product details, the next step is to save and create the product. This step ensures that all your hard work doesn't go to waste and that the product is officially part of your Whop offerings. Double check the information you've entered to avoid any mistakes before you hit that save button. And just like that, you've created a product. If you have more products to create, the great news is you simply repeat these steps, and each time it should become more intuitive and quicker. Creating multiple products might seem daunting at first, but by following this simple process, you can efficiently manage an extensive product lineup with ease. As you continue creating products, consider keeping a checklist or a notes document open where you can briefly jot down specifics about each product. This can help streamline the process, especially if you're managing a larger inventory. Remember, practice makes perfect, and with these steps, you'll become proficient in setting up products on Whop in no time. So, there you have it, a simple, efficient way to create multiple products on Whop. By following these steps, you ensure a smooth workflow and a professional setup for your digital marketplace. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and I'm looking forward to seeing what you create on Whop. Until next time, happy product creating.